Did you know that the Great Barrier Reef, the only living structure visible from space, is home to a myriad of marine life, including turtles, navigating through the clear blue waters and vibrant fishes darting between the coral? This vibrant, sprawling marine metropolis is a world bustling with life beneath the surface. Welcome to a journey that promises not just to take your breath away, but to introduce you to the thriving ecosystem that exists beneath the waves. Imagine gently soaring above an emerald sea in a small propeller plane. The hum of the engine is a comforting background melody as the world beneath unfurls in a stunning tapestry of blue and green. The vast expanse of the Great Barrier Reef stretches out endlessly, a labyrinth of coral and marine life that makes up the largest coral reef system on Earth. The water airplane lands soft, and we invent to go snorkeling FRPMR Ranger. As we journey further, the reef morphs and shifts, revealing intricate patterns and a spectrum of colors that dance beneath the shimmering surface of the water. This is a place where life thrives in abundance, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Suddenly, a speck of land appears on the horizon, gradually taking shape as we draw closer. This tiny oasis is surrounded by the vibrant hues of the reef. Its unique shape, remarkably similar to a heart, is a natural phenomenon that leaves one in awe of nature's whimsical creativity. The script section doesn't mention Heart Island, therefore no changes are needed. As our journey concludes, the images of the Great Barrier Reef remain vividly etched in memory. The vibrant colors, the pulsating life beneath the sea, all come together to create a symphony of sights that leave one in awe of nature's grandeur. This journey is a testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world. The Great Barrier Reef, with its intricate network of life, is a reminder of the wonders that lie in our world's hidden corners. This journey doesn't just show us the beauty of our planet, but also inspires us to protect and preserve it for future generations. So, as you go about your day, remember the vibrant colors of the Great Barrier Reef and the breathtaking journey that took us there. For in those memories lies a reminder of the beauty, the diversity, and the sheer wonder of the world we live in.